Yesterday I had talk with Patrick, who is actually at the moment building a water wall in the restaurant from Chat. This is somewhere in America, I don't know where, but he had 4 questions, and it's like those questions are frequently asked. This is why I'm going to make this video. Number 1, how big should a glass plate be for a regular water wall? Say a regular water wall would be like 2 meters high and maybe 1 or 2 meters wide. I recommend 10 millimeters thick glass plate. So this is number 1. Number 2 is, what about the edges of the glass plate? Should they be straight like this, or should they be with some edges at the corners? Definitely this one. So in Germany we say poliert und gefasst. So I think poliert is polished, so the edges should be polished and they should have this 45 degrees angle. Then question number 4 was, should the water wall have a slight angle in order to have a better water distribution? Answer is no. Many people think they have to make an angle in the glass plate or in the stone or steel plate in order to have a good water distribution. Not necessary at all. We are producing our water walls always with 100% straight upwards way with 0 angle. This is absolutely super duper to have a good water distribution. And number 4, if I don't have such a big water glass plate, or if I cannot put or transport such a big glass plate into the construction site, can I put them next to each other? Yes, you can. And you can do this simply by letting them stand next to each other. Means those corners have those 45 degrees, and then just let them touch each other like that. And nothing else is needed. You don't have to glue them. You don't have to put silicone here. Actually, silicone would be very bad because silicone is hydrophobic. It would drive the water away and it would create destroy the water film. So if you have multiple glass plates, you just can put them next to each other, or and let them touch each other. Works very fine. So I hope this helps, and if you want to start your own water wall business in your region, I would appreciate if you contact me, if you join the Wawazen Waterwall School. We have starter kits for every budget, so if you want to test your market, we can work together, or if you want to really conquer your market with water walls, you can work together. So please register at wawazen.net, take a look at our offers, and I would be glad to cooperate with you. Thank you. Bye bye.